Hello, welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So today I'm going to be talking about what I'm reading. So it's the first week in the 2018, and be honest with you, I've been reading and doing some writing because it's freezing outside. Last night was around a -6. So if I don't have to go outside, I'm not out there. So, cozying up with some tea and reading is all about what is what I'm about this month because I can't with that weather. So I started out reading some shorts. It's a series by Nia Forrester. She's an unknown author to me, not popular. And I'm enjoying them. We'll be talking about them later on. And I also picked up Tiffany Haddish, The Last Black Unicorn. And I'm enjoying this. I knew it was going to be funny, and she is extremely funny in this. And I love her talking about, scheming her way through school and what she had to do and how she didn't realize she was actually funny. But I am enjoying this. I'm about halfway, so definitely should be finished with this one soon. I'm also writing, and last two days, especially the last 2 days, I've been doing a lot of writing, and I find I get lost in writing. Like, I will sit there and write, and then when I look, it's like 3 hours later, and I'm like, oh goodness, so I'm enjoying this process. It's my first short story I'm working on, and I'm enjoying everything about it, and digging into it and the storyline. And I can't wait to finish and, start with the editing process and all that good stuff and be able to share it. But other than that, that's all I've been doing. I do plan on picking up Midworld, which is a sci-fi that I am reading from one of Todd's the librarian selection, so that should be fun because I haven't read any sci-fi in a while. I did a paranormal in October, but no sci-fi in a while, so looking forward to this. It should be fun. And that's it for right now, so stay warm and read. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye.